So, how was that action cam workshop? Well, it went something like this. Wait, that's not how it went. We did some serious learning too.
So we're going to do a final check on your action cam settings before we jump into the pool, right? This is the really important thing, the scene, SCN. Make sure you see a fish icon there, so that's underwater mode.
You release some of your breath so you can sink a bit. Oh gosh, who am I kidding? We splashed ourselves silly and learned video editing in the process. Such an amazing weekend!
Everybody is really concentrating on their work right now. It should come out just 3D text. This is the final part of our underwater course, and they've done a really tremendous, great job because they shot underwater and now they're editing and they're getting it all together. Hey guys, you did a wonderful job. Congrats. Give yourself a big round.
If you missed this session, don't worry, we're gonna have more. See you soon!